Welcome guys to live trading with Presi the World Best. So let's go straight up to the chart. So currently I'm on this trade on NZD card. So I was supposed to record the video when I was getting into the trade yesterday, but I was not able to record it. So let me just go straight up based on just a little stuff here. So this is the trade currently. This is how the trade is looking. So it's looking solid. Now let me give you guys the reason why I got into this trade. So firstly I went to the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame I noticed that this zone right here is a resistor. You could see the reaction here, the reaction from here, the reaction from here, the reaction also from here. And yeah, it's just giving that this zone right here is a major zone for reaction. So I was aware of that. And I went down to the daily time frame. And in the daily time frame I'm seeing this head and shoulder pattern right here. So I noticed that after the head and shoulder pattern, I'm expecting the break of structure retest to take this sell. Now, with that being said, I moved down to the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, I also noticed here that while it's giving like after the head and shoulder break and retest, which is in the 4 hours time frame. So I also noticed that it was cooking up. So my mind was that if this 4 hours give me an engulfing right here, I'm gonna take the sell, and you could see the engulfing happen. So like, let me wait for the the confirmation from the lower time frame, which is like 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? So initially that was my major reason from entering. So when I got the push, I got into the trade while around there. I was supposed to enter after this 4 hours close, but you could see that as I was trying to get in, the move was like it was selling. So me, I was not concerned because I know that I know my stop loss, you cash. I know where I'm gonna set as my stop loss. So no matter, even if price moves 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips, even 10, 4 pips, 5 pips away from my entry, as far as I know where I'm setting my stop loss, it's none of my business with everything. So I was like, yo, but even as price has moved a bit, I was like, yo, I want to enter, but the volume was just like split seconds. The volume was massive, so you could see from here it just went down, and I got in here. So I was in little profit. It got against me. So this was just a new day spread. And yeah, that's how I'm currently running in multiple figures on this position now. Now the position I'm watching out to enter now, this is my scalp trading strategy. So this time frame majorly works in the 1 hour, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So this is what I was initially watching out from. So you could see New York session just started. And I was expecting a pullback to this zone right here to take the buy. So this is London session setting up new. So it has given us another high. So this is the high probability setup right here, and this is a low probability setup. So what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna stick with the high probability setup because I'm not pressured to trade. Not just I'm not pressured to trade, but I know that the probabilities of entering this one is low, and I rather save that money and take it on the high probability setup. And the probabilities is that this might not even hold. I think it will not hold. So I'm just gonna be watching out for this. But this is the trick. It has to give me my entry before 5 p.m. Nigerian time, which is literally like after 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I'm not gonna enter. That's like 12 p.m. New York time. That's like literally 6 like 12 p.m. in New York. So after that, I'm not entering the pay again because like New York session is gonna get over, and then there's not gonna be any volume on the chart. And by the way, today is Friday, so I'm watching out for this setup. If it comes to my entry, good. If it doesn't, we're cool. We're already running in profits, solid profit on this trade right here. So that'll literally the update for now. So I'm gonna give you guys an update probably in an hour or two how everything turns out. So what's up guys? So I noticed that my voiceover was not recorded with the video, so it was just video, so I'll just do a voiceover on this. So yeah, what happened here was that the time was currently 7 p.m. The time was 7 p.m. when I was recording the video. So New York section was getting over in Nigeria, and in London it was literally getting to 2. So in New York, in Miami, it was getting to 2. So like New York session was about to get over. So I closed out on the trade for 1 to 3.5. So here I was still holding the trade, but I told myself that after the 30 minutes candle ended, which it just did, I'm going to exit the chart. So as the 30 minutes candle ended, in the 30 minutes time frame, I exited the chart, so 1 to 3.5 risk to reward. So that's how I literally made the money for the week. So if you watch this video to this extent and you literally enjoy my videos, and even if you don't, but you could actually learn a lot from this, so like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with me your best trade idea.